Idea for the day. It's autistic, but we're gonna do it. Well, this looks bendable.
Yeah. Wait.
Mostly.
Wait. Dude, you're just mental.
What are you, British?
Yes, I'm British.
British?
British.
Yeah, I thought we just bend this more. That worked flawlessly. Part where the clutch is probably destroyed, but that was amazing. Oops.
Wait, that
is not what made me fall over. You saw nothing.
Oh my God.
Got that right.
The yeet. Oh yeah, I
Loop
totally.
out. What was that? Are you okay? What happened? I don't even know. Bro.
I was just going along, and all of a sudden, I wasn't.
More importantly, is my camera okay? She's fine.
That's the best way I can describe it.